Okay, Connie, we're going to show you how to remove your power chain. We can start with a tool like this. It's kind of like a little hook. You can find them in drugstores or even dollar stores. They don't have to be metal, they may be plastic, but whatever, you can have a little hook that can go through the power chain. You want to start all the way to the end of the bracket, and from the top to the bottom of the tooth, make sure you don't poke yourself in the gum, and you want to go all around from the end to the other end of your arch. Gently from top to bottom, you will remove and hook the power chain off of the brackets. As you can see here, you can use your fingers for stability and be careful not to poke yourself. If you don't see that you have this tool and you cannot find it, you can easily remove the power chain with your fingers, as so. And there you go. Good luck.